Welcome to another session of Learning with ISRAR on ISRAR'S channel. In today's presentation, we will explore the Data Analyst Roadmap. In today's data-driven world, data analytics has become one of the most in-demand and high-growth career fields. This roadmap explains the essential skills, tools, technologies, and learning sequence required to become a successful data analyst. The roadmap is designed in a step-by-step format, starting from foundational technical knowledge and progressing toward advanced analytical, statistical, and data visualization capabilities. Let us now explore this learning journey in detail. The Data Analyst Roadmap provides a structured learning journey for a data analyst and consists of various specialized skill areas that a learner must master to become proficient in data analysis. Here are some important areas. 1. Learn the basics. 2. Data Analysis Core. 3. IDEs and Tools. 4. Python Programming. 5. Data Analysis Libraries. 6. Testing. 7. Database Knowledge. 8. Statistics. And 9. Data Visualization. Now let's go through them one by one. Roadmap starts with learning the basics, which is divided into three fundamental technical areas that form the foundation of a successful data analyst career. Git, for version control and collaboration. Linux, for understanding operating systems and command line environments. SQL, for managing, querying, and analyzing data stored in databases. Now let's explore them one by one. Git, it is a version control system used to manage and track code changes. In this area the data analyst learns basic Git and GitHub concepts. Git tools such as Git Bash and essential Git commands. Git helps analysts collaborate and maintain project versions professionally. The second technical area in basic learning is Linux. Linux knowledge is very important because many data systems and servers operate on Linux environments. Topics in this area learned by data analyst include operating system concepts, file system understanding, Linux commands such as find, grep, root, netstat and shell scripting basics. Next technical area in basic learning is SQL, Structured Query Language, which is one of the most important skills for a data analyst because data is usually stored in databases. Here data analyst learns basic SQL commands, SQL performance optimization, relational and NoSQL databases, query execution understanding and problem solving with SQL queries. After learning the basics, the roadmap moves into data analysis, which is the main domain. This stage involves collecting data, cleaning data, transforming data, finding patterns and insights, and supporting business decision-making. In the third stage, analyst learns about integrated development environments, IDEs, and tools used in data analysis. IDEs, integrated development environments, are platforms where analysts write and run code including VS Code, PyCharm, and Jupyter Notebook. To improve productivity and environment management, analyst learns following tools at this stage. pip Python Package Installer, PyPI Python Package Repository, Docker Containerization Tool for application deployment. The next stage in data analyst is learning Python programming, which is a central programming language for data analysis and for learning purposes. The Python learning is divided into three parts: basics, scripting, and Pandas library. Python is widely used in data analysis because it is simple, powerful, and rich in data processing libraries. In the next stage, the roadmap further introduces important Python data analysis libraries, which are used in analytics, machine learning, and visualization. Important Python data analysis libraries include NumPy for numerical computing, TensorFlow for deep learning, SciPy for scientific computing, Pandas for data manipulation. Seaborn for statistical visualization. Matplotlib for graph plotting. Scikit-learn for machine learning. And Keras for neural network modeling. These libraries provide powerful capabilities for modern data analysis and predictive modeling. Next step in Data Analyst Roadmap is testing. Testing tools ensure that scripts, applications, and automation processes function correctly, and the roadmap includes testing frameworks such as PyTest, Robot Framework, Testify, and Selenium. Testing improves software reliability and workflow accuracy. The next stage in the roadmap is having database knowledge. Database understanding is essential for data analysts because organizations store massive amounts of structured data in databases, and it is important for data analysts to learn following databases: PostgreSQL, MySQL, and Oracle. Database knowledge helps analysts retrieve, manage, organize, and analyze large datasets effectively. Learning statistics for the data analysts is another very important part of the roadmap, because it is one of the most important foundations of data analytics. In the roadmap, statistics is divided into two major categories: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Statistical knowledge helps analysts interpret data accurately and make evidence-based decisions. Descriptive statistics, which focuses on summarizing and presenting data through mean, median, percentages, and charts and graphs. Inferential statistics, which focuses on making predictions, drawing conclusions from samples, and supporting decision-making through probability and analysis. The final section of the roadmap focuses on data visualization, which helps present analytical findings in a clear and understandable format. Important visualization tools include Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, Microsoft Excel, Python, and Google Looker Studio. Visualization transforms raw data into dashboards, reports, and graphical insights that support effective communication and decision-making. In conclusion, the Data Analyst Roadmap highlights that becoming a successful data analyst requires a strong combination of technical expertise, programming skills, database knowledge, statistical understanding, data visualization capabilities, and hands-on experience with modern tools and frameworks. This roadmap provides a clear and structured learning pathway, guiding learners from beginner-level fundamentals to advanced analytical competencies. By following this journey with consistency and practical application, aspiring professionals can build the skills needed to succeed in today's data-driven world. Thank you for watching this presentation on the Data Analyst Roadmap. We hope this session has provided you with a clear understanding of the essential skills, tools, and learning journey required to become a successful data analyst. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content on data analytics, technology, and professional development. Keep learning, keep growing, and we will see you in the next session of Learning with ISRAR.